Good morning everyone and welcome to Vlogmas day 22. So today I am taking the entire day and dedicating it to cleaning up the apartment, getting it nice and clean and ready for Christmas Eve. We are hosting Christmas Eve for my family just like we do every single year, and then we spend Christmas Day with George's family. I have a very long to-do list, so let's just jump right into it. Last night the kitchen was driving me absolutely insane, so I just had to sort it out in here, and I did go ahead and sanitized everything. Dishes are nice and clean. This is trash, but everything is sanitized.
Come on in, come on up, come on over for the merriest time of year. Come on up, come on in, get together for a good time. Smile, my dear. Come on in, come on up, come on over. We'll be dancing round the tree. So let us have a swinging Christmas, just like 1, 2, 3. Time is short, we blink and then it's gone. So we better make the most of what we've got. So take your neighbor by the hand and join the dance parade before the clock strikes and it's all too late.
So I'm finally saying goodbye to this 4-year-old laptop cover. Oh my gosh, look at that. It's done such a good job. My laptop looks brand new. There's no scratches on it, but this is pretty beat up. I desperately need a new one. It's time to say goodbye to this one.
It's the friendliest time of year. Come on up, come on in, nothing better than to give the gift of cheer. So come on in, come on up, come on over. We'll be singing all them songs. So let us have a swinging Christmas, just like 1, 2, 3. Ba-bow, ba-da-ba-ba-bow, ba-da-ba-da-ba-ba-dow.
For whatever reason, my camera stopped recording, but I did manage to clean up the entire table, wipe it down, take these off and dust them a little bit, and now I'm going to tackle this.
Ba-bow. Come on in, get together. Come on in, nothing better.
Okay, so now I have a few dishes to take care of in the kitchen from this morning. Like I mentioned before, I did clean up quite a bit last night in here, so it doesn't need too much, but I still want to go over it a little bit one more time.
So let us have a swinging Christmas, just like 1, 2, 3. So let us have a swinging Christmas, just like 1, 2, 3.
Sweating and out of breath. I have been going so hard and I am enjoying it so much. Cleaning up the apartment. Our living areas are pretty much done. Now I'm gonna move into our bedroom and the restrooms. So as as you can see, we've gotten rid of our lamps in this room. That is because I am looking for new ones, and I just wanted to get those out of here. My pamper night routine in here the other night, so I took this out of my closet and I used it as a tripod, and then there's just a ton of products that I just never put away, so I am going to do that right now. My phone because I have been filming with the vlog camera all morning and it needs to be charged. So right now I am on my way to Marshall's because we have 3 more presents that we still need to get, and hopefully I can find them right now. That way that is something else that we can get off of our list. So you know how I broke this nail? This nail is about to come off. This is why I hate having long nails. To walk out of the store because it was complete madness in there. I don't think they could have put any more stuff out for people to buy than today. And then people were just everywhere I turned. I couldn't even walk. And let's not even talk about the line to check out. It wrapped around the entire store. So I'm just gonna come later with George so someone can stand in line and we don't waste too much time. So now I'm gonna go home. I'm probably gonna stop by Starbucks, but maybe I should just make coffee at home. Yeah, I'm gonna go home and I'm gonna start editing. So I just got home and I think I'm gonna make myself a coffee.
What is up, everybody? It is Vlogmas day number 22. We are expecting company, everyone. They're gonna be here very soon.
It's a pizza.
Pizza, yes, we're gonna have some pizza. You have already seen my beautiful wife today. Say hello.
Hi.
And I said say hello, not hi.
Hello.
Dang, girl. I got scared, guys. I thought she was gonna slap my face. Snap. This candle's really going down fast.
Well, I've been burning it all day.
Oh, really?
Not all day, but for like 4 hours.
Oh, beautiful candle. Oh, I forgot to turn on the houses. 2 little house, 3 little house, 4 little house. My Christmas sink set up. Look at that. little tree bush. Then I got my soap and my cologne and my deodorant. And then I got a candle. What's burning right now? What is it? Hot. Fresh balsam. My stuff. My comb, my toothbrush, and my shaver. And then these little towels right here. The I'm not allowed to use towels. And Mr. Toucan. That's my towel, guys. It's a beach towel, but I like to use him as my drying my hands towel. Yes. It's a Brazilian Christmas, guys. I don't know why I'm giving you guys a home tour. It looks like Santa came and just put the presents under the tree instead of us going every single day of this past weekend to find Christmas presents and then dumping them. And wrapping them and all that other good stuff. Hey, should I put this in the kitchen?
Yeah.
I have a few presents right there. Oh, God bless you, darling.
Thank you.
So I have a few presents right there that need to be wrapped. So I'm going to wrap them in the meantime.
Today. Yeah. He found us a Christmas Lego set.
Hello, Miss
Hello.
¿Cómo estamos? Amalia. Oh. Oh, hello there.
Hello.
Wow, you're just carrying a blanket and everything comfortable and she was carrying pizza.
Ah, you step.
This is a new Christmas tree?
Yeah.
But it's taller.
I thought-
the other one had more leaves. Shorter.
I saw it in the vlog and I was like, ooh, that's nice.
What?
And that,
The houses?
decoration, and then when you lit it up, that was even more big.
Yeah.
Sí, también es
Thanks.
yummy.
What were you trying to tell me, Catherine?
Should we take the table out? Say hello to my little friend.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh! Yeah, that's enough. Alright you guys, so I finally finished yesterday's vlog and it's already up. It's been such a long day, but now it's time to take a shower. We have a long day tomorrow. My family is actually staying over and I think we're gonna go grocery shopping for our Christmas dinner early tomorrow morning because I am trying to avoid as many crowds. It is the 23rd. We have a Sam's membership card and we are able to shop before like the general public can. So yeah, we're just ending the night here. I just made everybody some hot chocolate. We're watching movies and we're just gonna have a nice cozy night. Thank you guys so much for joining us in today's vlog and we'll catch you guys tomorrow. Bye.